Oops, showed me a bit too early. First, we have to make the disclaimer. Disclaimer, 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 disclaimer. So, yeah, have fun. Yeah, it's perfect when the mic is off. All right. Hi and hello. All right. So, welcome to the stream. Welcome to another Trading Tuesday. All right. Let's dive directly into the charts. Man, my fucking chair is. Whoops. Is this better? It isn't. There we go. All right. Um, welcome to the stream. Well, let's dive directly into the charts. I hope you can hear me. Let me let me test this. Let me test this one here. There we go. Blah blah trades. I said before that the dog is behind me, so you probably will hear him sometimes cry like a baby. But yeah, that's the way it is. All right, stream is working. Checked it right away. Let's dive into the charts. All right. There we go. I don't know if you hear him. I do. All right. Man, I'm fucking loaded today. I'm fucking loaded. I hope this will not bring me some bad trades because I do some stupid things. Anyway, we got 10 minutes until the opening, so let's dive directly into the charts. We have the weekly chart, and we got a fair value gap, like a building fair value gap. I think we will fill it a bit more today. Man, this is a zoo here. I think we will fill it a bit more today, and not today, but over this month. So yeah, basically, I guess we will go down today, and the rest of the week somewhere into this fair value gap, maybe into this volume imbalance. Can you see it even? No. Holy, my screen capturing is. Give me a second. Why is that? Nice. Give me a second. Hold on to correct my screen capture because somehow it isn't working that good. There we go. All right. And now it should work. There we go. All right. Now let's bring my face to this. All right, here we go. Like this is the chart I want to have on the frame. We have the weekly Nasdaq here, and we got a fair value gap or a fair value gap which is building right now this current week. So I guess basically we will go down today. I don't know if we will go even lower right now, but I guess at the end of the week we will trade somewhere into this fair value gap here. And we got the monthly volume imbalance. Let me show you this. We got it here, and I guess we will go during the week somewhere into this, and maybe this is our target for the week due to the fact that it's NFP and we got non-farm payroll on Friday. It's very difficult to say where price is heading to, but I guess somewhere between here could be our Friday close, or yeah, maybe we will just go lower. Like this special week on NFP, I really don't know. Can you even hear me? Let me see. You should. Yeah, you do. Okay. Um, so yeah, basically I want to see price going into this and capitulating somewhere around here. On the daily, on the daily, let me come check this. All right, on the daily, I want to see price. What I want to see price. Hold on. Like we took a lot of sell side out, right? And I guess I want to see price. I want to see price. I don't know what I want to see, to be all honest. I really think we will go lower today because we have this bookmark here. And I guess we will not go. I don't think we will go higher. I think we will go lower. Maybe we will make a leg up for the opening, but then I guess we will head lower. So I think we will see lower prices today. Um, yeah, this could be the level we are heading to, like going into this fair value gap before we going lower. Let me, this is changing to our inversion. There we go, and this here is our fair value gap. There we go. This is our normal fair value gap. Let's put it this way. Alrighty. Alrighty, lighty. Let's do it. Let's stretch it a bit. All right, there we go. We need this on our right side and central. This one as well. Right side, central is okay. Right side. There we go. All right, now you see what I'm talking about. Like this is the fair value gap I want to see price going into. I mean, it could reach somewhere around here, but I don't think so. Like I think our opening move will be just inside to this fair value gap, and then we will go lower. All right, like this fair value gap would also be like the high end of it would also be this inversion level here. Is it a inversion level? It isn't. No. Okay, forget it. Never mind. 99. But let's move to the 15-minute chart. We got a 15-minute chart. Like we got the same thing we have the last couple days. We still got the Asian range high in play. We still got the London range high in play, like both highs. There's a lot of liquidity above them here to take it out. Um, yeah, so I guess we will see higher prices to the opening, heading somewhere towards the opening range gap, going a bit above it, taking out the London range low, and then going lower. What would change my mind would be like I would look for a long if we go um, below this one and be strong above the last day low, and then use this as a trampoline and go higher, and or if we go higher at the opening and before we take out this buy side, we test the opening range gap from above and then jump higher. So this would give me a bullish bias, but let's see, we got 3 minutes and 5 seconds left, so let's see what the opening will do. Do 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 do. Yes. Alrighty. So let's wait. Man, DAX is going wild, right? The DE 30, I guess it is. Is it? DE 30? I think so. DE 40, something like this. It is going wild. Like it's really going wild. -2%. Yeah, the German indices are not looking good. Yeah, oh shoot, we're at 2.46. Holy crap. Yeah, so if we have a look at the DAX, we can say that maybe we'll just go lower from the opening, like just open with a huge gap down. But let's see. Let's see. I mean, we still got time, right? We still got time. Do, 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 do. Which one is this? This is 30 seconds, isn't it? Yeah, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, that's okay. Do we need this that big? We don't. We need it just maybe like this. So we can drag this a bit more. Hey, hey, give me a wall. What the fuck? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Man, I'm so fucking full of energy. I don't know if it's because of the 3 coffees and the 2 Red Bulls, but I'm fucking loaded. Do, 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 do. Oh, oh, oh. All right, I'm done. I'm too tired. Hold on. I'm back. So we had the opening, like on the opening, we had it lower. Uh, yeah, I had to do some stuff, so I'm a bit out right now. Let me just rejoin into the charts. As we go lower, like lower is my bias. I don't really uh, want to see it crash down right now. I would like to see it go at some point of a buy side first. What I would love to see is it taking out the um, let me show you this. What I would love to see is it taking out the um, London range high and the Asian range high. That would be perfect. Right now it's looking like it's making something like a um, liquidity run on the shorts. Yeah, so basically we don't have any divergence or something. The the DXY is going higher, so this could speak for lower prices here. Last day low is holding pretty strong. Like price has a hard time going through it. Let me bring this level onto our 1 minute chart. Let's bring it to the bigger one. There we go. This is our last day low. I would like to see price going above it and using it as some kind of support. And yeah, basically that would be um, not but some reason for me to enter. So this is the 1 minute a bit far away, like to see a bit more of the 1 minute price action. This is the 1 minute closer to um, adjust the trades, right? So yeah, like price is holding pretty strong. The level of the last day low. I want to see where it's closing and if it's able to close above it. And if it's closing above it, I want to see it using it as some kind of support. And yeah, then it would be some reason for me to go long. But right now it looks like it will go without me. Um, like at least for the highs. I could imagine that we will go higher throughout the opening range from 930 to 10 and within the macro from 950 to 1010 we will reverse and go lower. Like, I cannot imagine that we will go higher while the um, DAX is just dying today. What is even crypto doing? Crypto is a mine as well. Well, so I guess price will go without me here. Would I enter somewhere? Mm, not really. Not really, because we have the opening range here, or here, this one. Mm, it's around about 60 points. Now we're in the half point of it. So let's take this away from here. We don't need it. But what I'm interested in is it's the heat map. Yeah, look, like that's amazing. This is red. That's a bloodbath as well. So I don't really think we will go into some bullishness. We got -8% in Nvidia. That's crazy, and -1.5 at Apple. It's okay, 3.4 in Amazon. So yeah, we got a lot of levels draining. Um, um, Draining their blood. So I guess we will maybe just go for the sake of some buy stops to the upside. And even if we go higher, what I don't think, price should show it to me in one way or the other. For now, it seems like it's pretty strong, holding it here. Like this would have been a good long entry here, I guess. Yeah, like we got this fair value gap here. Should be an inversion, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. We get some inversion level here, so I would like to see how price is behaving at the 334 level and what it is showing. There are a few possible outcomes right now. It could bounce off the last day low and go higher. It could go below the last day low and retest it with a short up move and then go lower. It could just dance around this level, but especially I'm interested in the macro today. Again, 950 to 1010. Like if I have entry today, it will be within the macro. Let me see Forex Factory. If Trump is speaking today again, I'm tripping. No, he's not. That's good. But they're also not doing any other economic events today. So yeah, anyway, let's see what price is doing. We're now at the last day low, holding our head above it. Let's see, 20 seconds until we close the 1 minute candle. This is crucial for my bearishness right now. Like, I I don't really want to see it being strong above it, but neither I want to see it rip just lower right now. What would be cool would be now a bit of a retest to last day low from below, and then just a little dance sideways until the macro starts, and to the macro some rip to the upside and then just go lower. But my gut is telling me right now that we will not take out any buy side anymore, and we will just rip lower to the macro. But this would happen without me. Like, I wouldn't be involved in this type of price action. You know what is interesting? Like, you don't see it right now because my face is above it, but the price action on the right 1 minute, although they are through the same broker, but on the right side, the price is with a delay where I'm locked in, compared to the left side where I'm not locked in. There is no delay. Like, this side is faster than this side. It's interesting. So this is exactly the price action I want to see for the next 5 minutes. I want to see it. I want to see it just dancing here. And yeah, what would be really nice, like, I don't even need it to take out this whole buy side, because yeah, that's 200 points. Like, to be all honest, if it would go above there, I wouldn't consider going short anymore because it's like a lot of price range. But this would be a cool level, like 457 for the macro going up there, capitulating on the last week low, and then just ripping lower with the first price target on um, the last day low. And my terminus, man, I have no idea. I think I would just kill one and um, let the second one be a runner, because we also have to form the low of the week, mm, somewhere around here, right? Like, I still think we will go higher through the end of the week, and today we will build our weekly low, and I expect it to be somewhere around 20,100, somewhere there. But yeah, 4 minutes, and for my taste, we're good. Like, we're still in this range from 932 to 938. And as long as we hold this, oh man, I drained my fucking whole energy level. Yeah, so basically we're good. Like price is doing what I wanted to do. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Let's see. I'm kind of struggling because this 15-minute buy side this is really looking tasty to me though. This is really looking good to me. But I'm not into bullishness today. I don't know. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong because we took out the sell side with the one with the first fair value gap on 15 minutes. So maybe I'm wrong though. Maybe we will go higher today. We will see. We will see. So don't get me wrong, my bias is still bearish and it will remain so until we do something above the last week low and using it as some kind of support. But until we're not doing that, I'm still bearish. We should always have we should already have the first presented fair value gap, right? It's oh nice. I like it when these first fair value gaps are like also the first displacements. That's pretty cool. There we go. That's a bit of a mess right now because we don't really respect this level, and I don't like it when we trade around the first real-time order value gap without respecting it. Let's see what 15-minute is doing. Still no divergence, so I still remain with the bearish bias. It's really looking good to me though. Now we have the last macro, the first macro after the opening. What would be enough for me as well would be if we test the last day low from below and go lower. Like I don't necessarily need price to go higher above some level to the buy side. Like I would like to see it to I would like to see it hitting the last week low, which is at 46050. I put it there for 6050. But yeah, I don't necessarily need it. 50, there we go. I just have to, yeah, there we go, to make my screen capture so my sounds are active when I go short or long for making the shorts later, and so I don't have to cut the sounds into it, which is really annoying because yeah, cutting it out and in it's yeah, it's kind of stupid. Anyway, anyhow, we want to see prices doing something. With the micro, with 2 micros NFP, that's nice. That's okay. I like dealing with 2 micros. So this right now is a nice reaction, and yeah, I like that. I like that. So I go in here, my stop loss is here, and that's okay. I need my, like, why is my stop loss and my take profit not with it? Like my first take profit should be here. It's my, that's perfect again. It isn't working, right? I don't know why this, it's always like that. It's always like that. Yeah, okay, we'll just make it like this, mark it by, this should be fine. I don't know why this isn't working, but sometimes it's just doing whatever it wants. There we go. Want it to be here. Let's say here, and my stop should be yeah, I don't know, normally this, but I will go this one and make it like this should be, it's a sell, so buy stop, right? And with both of them. Price is dancing a bit too much around for my taste. Like normally I want to see fast moves, and this is really something something like a slow cook. So it could take me out. It could take me out, go higher, and then go lower after it. So I really consider going out right now, but I'm not sure yet. There we go. Yeah, it will take me out right now. That's okay though. Still, price is showing me willingness to go lower, so I will just re-enter and go out here. So it will be the same. This will be my target for. It's still not working. I really don't get it sometimes why this is doing what it does. There we go. It's a sell, so I want to buy stop of 2 here. And then here we want, like, I don't know, buy stop is working somehow, but my sell isn't. I don't get it. But yeah, we will do it just this way. It's like it's a buy stop, so we will make a buy limit down here. It's a buy. Maybe it's working this way. No, it isn't. So it's 2600. Yeah, this is fine. And then we just drag our buy stop to entry and um, leave a runner open. And if this one isn't working, I don't do anything anymore today. Like I will stick with it and watch the chart, but it really has to show me something enormous to do something. Like I don't really like the price action. If you look at the 15 seconds here, we got huge wicks, small bodies. It's not what I like to see in terms of price action. You see it here in the 15-second chart. We really ripping just wicks, and that's really a disgusting price action, in my opinion. Maybe I just have to sit on my hands on those days, but it's kind of difficult to see that before. Most of the time, you just see when you're inside of the trade, or if you already took the trade. But in aftermath, it's always easier to say those things. I hope this wasn't our um, move right now. Like I hope we at least go. Oh no, this is too low. I hope we at least go here to this one. Um, there we go. It's okay for me. I will leave this because of the loss of the first one, so I keep this one and it's fine. In total, we just made fuck. It's weak. This is weak, man. 83 bucks. And again, that's like I'm just too fearful to stay in the trade, and that's why I exit, and that's the main reason why I just take those small wins, right? I mean, I was in drawdown with like I don't know how much it was, but I guess it was something like 170, so 140, and like having a drawdown of 140 and making 270 bucks after it, it's okay, but yeah, I don't know. That's not why we're here, right? Mm. But yeah, I mean, it's also the risk reward. What is killing me? I really do small cooks right now, and also it's still not a clear price to me, so I'm all okay with what price is done. By the way, I believe we will go now here to the 50-minute breaker at 264, and then we will rip lower. Like this is a real nice breaker here, high, low, higher, high, low, low, and the retest entry breaker. And I could really imagine that we will go lower after it. Like this could be a nice retest and then just rip lower. Will I do anything anymore? No, like I'm out for today. Um, I broke a rule. I haven't took just one trade. I did two, and even if I'm in profit right now, it's it's not good. Like I'm not proud of it. I should have um I should have quit when I had the loss, because on the other side I hadn't had my daily drawdown, so it wasn't that bad because I don't overtraded. I have not overtraded my daily drawdown, but nonetheless, it wasn't good neither. Either. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Um, it doesn't matter what price is doing. And my thing here was really the risk reward ratio, because I knew my stop loss should have been above the first real-time alpha value gap, but my reward wasn't giving that much to me. Like my first partial on this low here wasn't giving me it wasn't giving me what I wanted to see in terms of risk reward ratio. Like we made a 1-to-1 here with this. I had my stop loss somewhere here, I guess. This was a 1-to-1. But yeah, like, look, we had several of things here. We have an inversion level here. We have this fair value gap here before we break down below this last day low. We also had the first real-time alpha value gap here. We had the last day low here. So it's permissible to wick above. Um, that's why I should have had my stop loss above it. And if I do this next time, I just have to give a fuck about my risk reward, I guess. And yeah, just take it, because I said it before, like my win rate, if I do what I guess and do what my pattern is telling me, is more than 50%. So like far more. I guess I had 80% win rate with my other fundings. What is killing me each time is my huge losses. Like I have to find some balance between a bad risk reward ratio to implement my risk in my strategy, and also some kind of not too much risk behind the trades, because yeah, this is killing me. Anyway, it's NFP week. We made 80 bucks. It's okay. It's cool. I'm just not fine with the fact that um, we broke the rule. Yeah, with two trades. I mean, for me, it's pretty clear that we will go lower. I don't really expect higher prices from here. Um, not until we reached my level of the day of the weekly low, like it was. I guess it was how much? 2100, 2080, something around this. Something around this level. How many handles did we made on our this was the first one, wasn't it? Yeah, I think this was the first one. It was 291 and we got stopped out at 291 and 230. Like this was 40 handles stop loss. And our win was 340 to 300, 260. That means we had like 80 points win, and our second was 90 points, right? No, hold on. 314. Yeah, 314. So we had like 50, 60 on our first partial and 80 on our second partial. Yeah, 90. Hold on. 80. We had 80 on our second partial. Um, yeah, I have to learn this with leaving the runners because yeah, like not always, but most of the time, price is just ripping farther in my direction. Like I could even take just the first partial and leave the runner and put it to um, entry. The only problem with this is then that means you have to, or I have to adjust my risk reward again, right? Because if I just take out half of the lot size, I have double of the risk. Even if I go to to my entry afterwards, because that would mean that I just take out half of the price or half of the profit at my take profit, and there is another high percentage that it will go back to my entry, and would mean from my, let's say, one risk reward ratio, it would switch to a 0.5. I don't know why my mic was changing right now, but somehow it disconnected the headset. Anyway, let's see if it goes to the breaker, to the 15-minute breaker. And furthermore, if it goes to the 100 level, like I really don't want to see it go upwards from here, like upwards to the, I don't know, to even the Asian range high would be too high for me, even the long range. Like even going above the opening range gap would be too much for me to remain bearish. So if we go higher from here to my breaker, I said before, that would be nice. Like that would be what I would expect, or what I expect price to do. Going into the volume imbalance, hold on, I will drag the 50-minute chart here so you see what I'm talking about. Like I expected to go to this level here and bounce off it lower, but it would also be permissible. We have an open from 330.5, and here we have a close of 330.5. No, there is no volume imbalance here. Is there here one? It's closing 384 even. It's opening 384.345. Neither we got here one. Oh, give me a second. Is that possible? 342.5 and our close is 3.4275. Yeah, we got 0.25 difference here. Like this is a very small volume imbalance, but it could reach up here also. Like, yeah, I don't want to see it go above the last week high. Above the last week high would be too much for me. Then I would expect that price will not go lower to the 100 level. But for now, I still stick with it that we will go to the 100 level. And from there I'm out for today, because that's my daily target, and also the target of the weekly low. So I mean, we could rip lower. I don't see any reason to do so. Maybe into the, no, not here. Let's see what 100 level is here. Yeah, like maybe we could go in a maximum of 19,900, but I don't think so. So I think we will reach the 100 level, and then we will go higher. And like I think, but that's only regarding to a feeling and not to some analytic stuff, that we will go lower to the 100 and then go above and take out the Asian range high and the London range high. Maybe when will we do this? I could imagine that we will go lower the whole AM session, like the next 2 hours, and take out the highs at the PM session. Or maybe just make a leg down to the beginning of the PM session and at, I don't know, the half point, somewhere around 2 or 3, going upwards and take out all the highs with some really crazy move. But first we have to see it take the 100 level. Such a mixed feeling when price goes in the direction you know exactly where it's heading to. Like there we go. Come on, 6 points, 3 points. Come on, give me the 100. There we go. Yeah, so that's my weekly low target. Um, we will see. Like it could go until 19,900, but I would really expect it to go higher from here. But the time is, I don't know, the time is kind of strange. I really expected it to hit the 100 level somewhere around 1030, 1050, maybe the 1050 to 1110 macro. But even before the 1020 to 1040 macro, it's kind of early. So I don't know. We will see. So what I wanted to say before, it's kind of strange. It's kind of a mixed feeling when price is hitting your target, but you exited earlier. Like it feels like kind of a loss. It's not really a win, but maybe it's also due to the rule violation we did. Anyway, we learn, we improve, we get better. The price is very heavy. So if you go below even the 19,900 level, I expect the current week to go even lower. Like if we go below 19,900, or no, let's say it this way. If we close today below 19,900, I would switch my bias for the week to bearish. But for now, I'm still sticking with the idea that this is the weekly low, and then we'll go higher. Maybe we'll not close the week positive. Like, I don't assume that, but at least going higher. Where would be the London range high? Yeah. So I could imagine we go somewhere to this level here. Where are we here? Yeah, something like maybe to this new week opening gaps. No, no, I forgot that we are in non-farm payroll. So no, never mind. I don't give exact price targets or exact thoughts about my price targets because like Friday could just rip it off, I guess. I shouldn't think about price targets as like on a weekly basis. I stick with today, but on a weekly basis, I wouldn't say I have a strong narrative because of non-farm payroll Friday. But yeah, still today, mm, today and tomorrow remains as I thought. I mean, price is dancing around this level right now. Mm, We did a maximum of 70, I guess. Not even at 75. So we could turn here, but still it's a very strange time to turn. Like I would expect 11 to be some time of retracement, but the 1020 macro should be normally a farther leg, farther, farther, farther leg into the direction it did till yet. So yeah, I'm eyeballing the 19,900, but I don't know. Still think that 20,100 even was the weekly low. I mean, if you look at the bodies, the bodies are really holding straight the 100 level, which is a pretty strong sign to me, though. Also, we got like a huge buy side. We got the buy side from 1020, no, 10 to 1015. And also we got the whole buy side of the opening. We got the buy side of the London range high, Asian range high. I don't know. It would be weird to let short sellers even win more, because this would be also the perfect spot to just melt faces here, right? To just go higher. And I guess most of the people wouldn't really expect that. Which means they could take out a lot of liquidity here, at least with going above the 20,253 level, which would be my um, first target to aim towards. Will I take it long? Nope. Yeah, there we go. Like this is looking strong to me. Come on. And after, if it takes out the 252 level, it's all depending again on the reaction on the breaker. Like, will it react to go lower there or not? And this would give me some more insight. But hey, my bias was right again. My narrative also. Um, it was just my it was my risk management again. I can't believe that I'm so stupid. This would have been fuck. This would have been so cool, man. So cool. Like it would have been 29.1 and my take profit would have been 25.8, 29.1, 25.8. It's around 40, yeah, 38 points for the terminus, and then leaving a runner to 100, that would have been 150, no, even more. Would have been like 190, quite 200 points. Damn, damn. Even with one lot size of a micro, 200 points would have been like 100 bucks. I really have to stick to my ideas. Next time, next time, next time, we will see. Hold on, I have to arrange something. Orange? Orange. I have to discuss something. Give me a second. Ah shit, here we go again. Oh man. So I look right now. I have a plan for my outro. And yeah, I'm looking for something. That was my gut, my stomach. I have no idea. I have no idea if I'm allowed to do this, but like I want to take a snippet out of GTA for my outro if I have a loss. Oh, I'm sorry. Mm, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to. And maybe we don't need this. Maybe it's enough to just use the sound. Mm, I'm not really sure. Yeah, we will see where this is heading to. But I guess I will first do it without until I have an idea. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. I will stick with you today, like until 11:15, and then I will go offline. Mm, yeah, because I don't really want to participate in the midday, neither I want to participate in the afternoon session. At least not with this. At least not with this account. So yeah. Mm, I really thought that we will take out this high at least. Like this was my target, the 252, and I want to see how price is reacting here at this price point, like from here to here, and this is the part, like this is the range. Let me draw this in. Mm, this is the range where I want to see a reaction within this one, and it going higher. Like I don't want to see it close below. Let's put another color on it. This should be fine. I don't want to see it go below this level here. Yeah, it's the same. I want to see. I don't want to see it go below this, or at least close below this level here. It's permissible if we go into it or dive below it with the wicks, but I don't want to see it close below it because I don't want. I want to see it take out the 257 level. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I want to see a reaction from here. Like now, I want to see it take out the 257 or 255 level, and yeah, like this is also near to the breaker on the 50-minute time basis, which is here. And here I want to see how it's reacting there. Like if it shows me willingness to go lower or if it shows me willingness to go higher, we will see. For the record, the level is, let's see, it's this one, it's the low 262, 262. There would be the breaker. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba. I will make a video today. Not maybe I don't I will not upload it today. I will upload it at Saturday or Sunday. But I guess this week's video will be about why you shouldn't take multiple trades. Like I will explain a bit my rule, why I don't like to take more than one trade a day if I took a loss. That's very important to add it. Because if you get a win, or if you had a win and you see some like another possibility to take a trade, why not? Still, like I like this price action. I really like how it's acting on this price point. And yeah, I would like to see it go higher. There we go. Um, Not my price target yet, I guess. Yeah, there we go. This was my price target. Yeah, but we're still not on the breaker, or have we been there? Yeah, we have been there. We touched it. Now I want to see how it's reacting here. If we go higher from here, like if we go higher, I want to see some kind of a strong reaction. I wouldn't like to see it just, how do I like to say, tingling around. I would like to see something more of a displacement higher. This is okay. Like retracing a bit from this level is permissible. And like if it wants to go higher, I want to see some kind of displacement. And if not, I would like to see it break below this one, retest it, and then go lower. Um, that's what I would expect if we're not looking for higher prices. But for now, if we're not doing this, I still think that we will go to higher prices. Like we still reacted at this level, and so everything is still in play and fine for me. As I said, until we're not breaking below this level and retest it, and it shows me some willingness at the retest to go lower, like the same it does here. I would want, if I would be bearish, like I'm still bullish. Don't don't uh um don't mix it up. Like I still think we will see higher prices today, as I said. But if not, like if I'm wrong, I would switch my bias here if we did what we did here on the downside, like if we would go lower and then retest it with some spikes from below. But as long as we doing this here, I stick with higher prices. What is the heat map doing? I mean, man, it recovered a lot. Like we were at -8% at Nvidia, minus 1 point. No, 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 not -8, minus 3, 3.5, I guess. Yeah, so 3.5, I think. I'm not sure, but I'm sure it wasn't 8%. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was 8%. But yeah, so and at Apple we were somewhere at 1.5, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm not sure here nader, but yeah. So we were dancing around again at this level here. So basically, um, I'm really done with it. Let me put my earpod out. Um, yeah, here unit. Yeah, here unit. So, my friends, basically, yeah, here unit. Can you hear that? If I, yeah. I look, I check with the other window my stream, and if my stream quality is good and stuff, because I don't know, I don't trust this whole interface here, so I use my browser, and that's why you heard this weird noises right now. But yeah, as I said, like I want to see it. I would like, I don't want, I would like to see it go higher. As I mentioned before, here I thought the 100 level would be the weekly low, and I stick with it with this. Um, I still think we have the weekly low here, and I still think we will go higher because we had the 15-minute breaker here. We touched it. We touched it here. Um, yes, the reaction is kind of strong, but to be all honest, it's not that strong as I would expect it to be. Because if, like, what would switch my bias into bearish would be if we would smash through it and test it from below, like something like, give me my path, something like this would switch my bias to bearish. But what I expect is something more like maybe going here a bit higher, and then capitulating before we reach the breaker or at the breaker again, and then going with displacement through it. Um, that's what I expect right now. Let's see. Let's see what plays out. But this is also still in play, right? Like this could also still happen. But due to the respect it shows us here at this level, I really suggest that we see higher prices today. But you never know. You absolutely never know. especially on weeks like this, like NFP week is it is killing it, isn't it? I will not take any trade because when the sun shines, we shine together. Because yeah, I like I'm done. I'm done for today. I broke a rule. I broke a rule. Wait, there was like, where are my dark clouds here? um, yeah, so basically I broke my rules. I said just one trade a day and I will stick with it. It's so annoying. I just have to repeat it. It's so annoying. I knew it. I knew it. I fucking knew it that the price will the price could go up until somewhere in between this gap here. And nonetheless, I put it my fucking stop loss. Where was it? Like here. That's fucking dumb. It's unbelievable dumb. I have to work on that. I will work on that. I will conquer. I mean, we're net positive for today. It's okay. But truthfully, it isn't because we broke a rule. We broke a rule. If price is really going sideways now, the rest of the AM session, I really, I really wouldn't like to see it because that would implement some kind of accumulation and huge, huge move in the afternoon. And yeah, unit, yeah. Da, 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 da. You remember this song? Man, it even started like this. It started like, do you name of the song? It goes like, na, 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 na. No. What was it, man? It goes like, Na 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 na. I don't remember, man. I don't remember. I'm an old man. I forget it. I forgot it. I'm an old man. Hey, dementia is kicking. There we go. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. This is what I see. This is what I want to see. Na 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 na. Okay, that's what I don't want to see. No, it's still okay. It's still okay until we um like both options would be okay. I'm not a bull I'm not a bull fascist. I'm not a bull fascist right now. Like it's fine for me if we go lower. It's fine for me if we go higher. It's either or right now. I for my weekly bias or from my weekly narrative from the standpoint of my weekly narrative, it would just be cool to have this weekly low here and not go below it. But I mean, if it's wrong, it's wrong. I haven't took a trade here, so it would be fine. It wouldn't change a thing. Even this is still permissible, as I said, as long as we don't go below it and like as long as we don't do this one, close below, retest and go lower. Um, I have to, because so this is my first idea. This is my second idea. So what I would like to see first is this one, and if not, I would imagine this one could this could give us the impression for the next time. Yeah, but it's too much stumbling up and down, going round and round for me. I mean, you see it. I'm looking on my phone because this is really boring. Like this is not a price action I would like to be involved in. Neither a price action I will be involved in. So I'm done here. I will not do anything anymore today. Um, not analyze, not no, 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 no. Not even analyzing, not even taking something like nothing. I thought there would be what is going on today? I think man, I really have to cut it here. Bye. No, I'm joking. Um, I really thought that there will be a bit more to it today, not only going sideways after 10:30, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It is. It is what it is, isn't it, sir? Sir, please give me entry. Give me entry. Family hungry. I need to feed family, sir. Sir, where is Dev? Please. Please, sir, give me entry. Give me entry, sir. Da, 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 da. I mean, we're not really doing anything. But I haven't heard the entry or exit sounds. Why is that? Wait a minute. I hope they were here. I hope I didn't left this one on just for the sake of being on and not for taking those important notes with it. With it. With it. 8 minutes left. 80, 80, 80, 80, 80 minutes left. Like to pass our funding. Oh, this could be something here. Let's see. Maybe we turn into bearish. But we also just could take out the sell side to go higher. Could we? I don't think so. No, I think, man, but on the other side, it's 11 again. That's the usual retracement. So maybe, baby, maybe it's possible. Maybe it's not. You never know if you never even try. Yeah. Oh no, I forgot to start mm, recording. So it's not recorded. So I have to make a screen recording from the record of today, from the stream of the record, and make a record of the record of the stream of the record of the stream of the record of the stream of the record of the stream. All right. I will say I will see how this plays out here. Let me drag this a bit down. I will see how this will plays out. Play. I want to see how this is playing out now. And yeah, after it, I close the stream because I don't see really any reason to stick with it. I mean, it's pretty accurate, isn't it? It's, right now, it's all depending on how it's behaving here, because it still could rip higher and just use this as a takeout. But I really think we will retest this level here, dip into it, and then like dip into it and then go lower. There we go. Touch it. And now what you want to do? So we're back above it again. Yeah, honestly, I don't see any reason to stick with it anymore. Hmm. I really don't want to see it. I don't really want to look at it. I don't really want to be part of this today. Yeah, it's a mess. Like it's just chopping around and it's not really doing anything. So, um, yeah, I'm pretty sure that I will close here. Well, just let me see, maybe like 5 more minutes to see what price is doing now and how it's reacting, and maybe it wants to go higher, maybe not, but I don't know. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't know, man. This price is behaving really strange. Hmm. Hmm. Price action is really behaving very strange. I don't know. I can. I this is. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. Dude, I don't know. So I would be interested to see how price is reacting here. If it's not respecting anything and it's just violating it lower and not bouncing off and going higher, I really don't interested anymore in anything today because it's just playing around. Like it's just a waste of time to watch it here, in my opinion at least. So yeah, I really don't think that this is necessary. Maybe I'm wrong though, and something really spectacular happens, but yeah, it will happen without me, and that's also completely fine. Like I will not waste a thought of it. Yeah, that was a bit missed. the focus of the camera. Um, ba-da-ba-ba. I don't really think anything about this price action, to be honest. So I will end here. There is no reason for me to stick with it. Um, for me, it's really just a waste of time right now, and neither I need it nor I want it. So I will end the stream here, and yeah, we will see us tomorrow at 9:15. And until then, I wish you a nice Tuesday, hopefully a good trading, and I see you. Bye bye.